So let me type that in here. 14, 1, and a 4. Oh, and look at these. My 1's fancy and so is my 4. But it helps that we can still recognize that 1's can look like that and 4's can also look like that. Okay, now it's telling me to show 14 on the 10 frame. And I love how Mac told me to do this yesterday. I wonder how this friend can help me out. Amaria, how am I going to build 14 on my 10 frames? Amaria, what do I need to do? Okay, I think I heard you, Amaria. You are very, very soft-spoken, and that's quite all right. I think I heard you say that I need to fill in my 10 frame completely, so that I have 10, and then I'll count on and add 4 more on. Is that what you said, Amaria? Give me a thumbs up if that's what you said. All right, so I'm filling in my 10 frame because I know that my teen numbers have a 10 first, and then we can count on. So 14 is really 10 and 4. That's how we make the number 14. So I have 5 here. I have 5 more to go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you, friends, for counting along with me. So I have 10. Let's count on 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now it says that I need to drag and drop all of my little diamonds that I have here. I need 14, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's double check that we have 14 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. Okay, so I've been asking you this for the past few days. If we need to find which row, look, this is a row, here's another row, and here's one more row. We have to figure out which one row has 14. How can we tell which row has 14? Brian, what do we need to do as a class to figure out?
We need to count them.
Bravo, Brian, you remembered. We need to count the dots that we have to figure out which row has 14. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did we find 14? Touch your nose if we found 14. Touch your nose if we found 14. We did. So we don't have to do any more counting on this page. Woohoo! Okay, let's move on. Now we need to work to highlight which representations show us the number 14. So let's start off by counting right here our triangular prisms. How many do we have here? Are there 14? Are there not 14? Go ahead and count it up. Mara, I see that you have questions. If they don't have to do with math, put them down and we'll talk later, okay? I won't forget. Count them up. Count how many triangular prisms we have. Hey, Wyatt, do we have 14 here? Yes or no?
No.
No. How many do we have, Wyatt?
12.
We do have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is not the same number as 14, so we can't do it. Okay, let's count up our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can I highlight that? Yes or no? Can I highlight that box? I can't. All right, let's look here. I have a 10 rod, 10, count with me, 11, 12, 13, 14. Touch your head if we can highlight this box. 14, that did show 14 using our 10 rod and our ones cubes. Okay, go ahead and count up what you see in these two 10 frames. Tell me, yes, it's 14, or no, it's not 14, it's this number. What do we have here? I don't think Lear's on anymore. Logan, share with us what we have in our 10 frames. Right over here, Logan, how many do we have? Make sure you unmute, Logan, so that we can hear you, my friend. How many, Logan? 16. You're right. 16 is not the same number as 14, but let's look here, friends. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We found 14 right here. Okay, let's look at our hands. Two hands. When we have both hands together, we know that we have 10 fingers here. 10, and let's count on 4. 11, 12, 13, 14. We found the number 14. So let's think about it. If we have 3 hands, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That won't work. Okay, let's count up here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can I highlight that box? 16 is not the same number as 14. Let's count up our tallies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can I highlight this box? Yes, I can. All right, last but not least, go ahead and count up these green shapes over here. How many do we have? Do we have 14? Or do we not have 14? Count them up. Jackson, help me out, my friend. Whenever you're ready, Jackson, go ahead and unmute yourself. How many did you count? How many do we have, Jackson? How many? Jackson, can you speak up a little bit? How many did you count?
I don't know which one I
Down here, my friend. Right here. Let's count together, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, Jackson, can we highlight this box?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's the number 14. Woohoo! We did it, everybody! Let's do a little celebration. I haven't celebrated you today. We haven't celebrated. Okay, here's our cowboy cheer. So you can either do a lasso, or you can have your hat, your cowboy hat. We're going to say yee-haw. Do it with me. Yee-haw. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to our small groups.